Alright, so to anybody who's watching this and to anybody that has a VR headset, there is this free game called Rocky. Here. Basically, it's like Rumble. Here, look, it's like Rumble. It's literally after Rumble, it's just kind of like a sort of fan game. But it's completely free. You can make stuff like pillars, you can make like that stuff, you can make pillars, you can punch stuff. It's like really good. You can grab things and then throw them at another speed. Make things explode if you do that. Whenever you hit something, it'll explode like that. And what you can do is you can create 2 pillars, make one, make the other explode, and go like... It'll launch you back so you can wall your opponent, grab it, and then hit your opponent with it. Here, let me make a pillar as an example. So this pillar is your enemy. You can hit it with a rock. It's free to play. There's not that many players. It deserves more stuff. I mean, it's genuinely so good. You can parry stuff. You can make a cube. You can make a wall, cube. Oh, there's a way to kick. Here, hold on. There's a way to kick. Yeah, the kick. Like this. That's how it kicks things up. And then you can, like, kick and then punch. And so you can kick. So you could kick a wall up and then punch. Here, let me show you a cool thing you can do. So you make a wall explode, kick, 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 punch. Boom, it'll hit your target. If you got right aim. Boom. So that's something you can do. You can also punch really well. If I kick it up a little. There's also moves. I'm pretty sure it's kind of gotten abandoned, but it is genuinely really good. But I hate the slide stone. Slide stone does not deserve to be here. It's garbage. You should never use slide stone. Hold on, let me get a ball. I cannot get a ball. Okay, it's a little bit bugged. I'm pretty sure it's been abandoned, sadly. But it's genuinely really good. Here, let's join a queue and try to find a player. So here's my strat. I'll make a wall. Throw a disc at them. I kick and then punch. So I make it, and I can also grab it. And after it's been up in the air, I can move it around up in the air. So, here, watch, I can do that. Explode time. Kick up, punch. I can just kick it up once, like, grab, and then... You can... excuse me. Yeah, you can also add like custom cues and whatever. Mm. Yeah, it only goes off your right hand, so you can like. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave queue. There's like there's 5 players online. I'll get back in the queue, I guess. Okay. Yeah, this game's pretty dead. At the peak, I saw it at 50 once. You can't actually do that in the game, so if I go to my community, I can find somebody to show you. Alright, fire. Alright. We got 7 members so far. We got Samuel, we got my friends. Oh, Rick left. Yeah, I'm gonna connect to the call and see if anybody joins in. Yeah, I invited every single one of my friends into this. Because this game deserves recognition. I mean, it's genuinely a really well put together game. Imagine if he could do that, like bring it around you and like that'd open up so many possibilities to like. Yeah, no matter what, even a single contact, like even the lightest contact possible, will still destroy the cube and hit you. But if this game got a little bit more stuff to be worked on, then you could really do some cool movements. And since Rumble is pretty much dead, then there's like no point to getting a PCVR version because it's just Rumble has died. This game has died. This is just a free version, and Rumble is only on PCVR. So this game really is like the successor to Rumble. Well, I mean, there's technically a different game on easy mode. How do I dash again? There's no spam, like disc spam. I mean, like, look at this. Launching a stone disc at your opponents. Bink. 3 players online. Yep, there's 2 other ones that I believe play this game tons. They've been like here since the start, and now I think I'm really the only one on. I leave the queue. Okay, yeah. How do I jump again? What? Oh. Okay. So I jump, you can make things explode like this, you can hold it like this, you can dash like this, balls like this, uppercuts like that. Uppercut, I'm not sure what really it does, so I'll go ahead and... Can I raise a wall here? Can I get a wall in here, please? Oh, I'm supposed to go like that instead of going like... Okay. Uppercut's just a worse punch, to be honest. Okay, yeah, this the person's probably just practicing moves. Well, everybody should get this game. I'm posting this to YouTube so people know about the beautiful game called Rocky.